Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave YouTube channel. Today is June the 6th and the chart of the day for today is the Euro Yen 60 minutes time frame here. We can see we ended with 1 in the minor degree right here, and then we also completed with 2 over here as an expanded flat ABC. Right now, the arrow is still turning up since the short-term time frame, which is the 1 hour, is still not yet turning bullish until it can break above the previous peak, right? So until it breaks above the previous peak, there is always a chance that we might see a bigger pullback, what we call a double correction. Now, but my focus primarily is to assess the probability in the shorter cycle, and again, the focus is in the shorter cycle, which one is more likely than the others. So Elliott Wave is all about probability, right? It's not about 100% fortune telling, right? And just like any game, like when you play chess, there's always if you're a good chess player, you can assess the probability for the move of your opponent, but it's never going to be 100%. All right. So here, what I want to talk about is this structure of the move up. All right. So I think you will agree with me that this structure doesn't look corrective, right? It looks a classic textbook impulsive rally. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No doubt about it, with extension on the wave 3. Visible 5 ways up, all right, divergence at the peak. It's just a classic textbook 5 ways rally here. So again, my focus is only in the shorter cycle, since we can see that this is a high, or let's say a higher probability to be an impulsive rally than a corrective rally. Then that will mean that as long as we stay above this low here, which is the beginning of that 5 waves, then this pullback should be able to find support at some point and then extends higher again. So in other words, we can say as long as we stay above 167.9, this current pullback eventually is going to end and then we're going to go higher. I think that's the shorter cycle conclusion, right? Now, in terms of the exact structure of the pullback, then there's always many different possibilities, right? So we can do a 5 ways down, ending A, B, C, like what we are proposing, or this itself could be your ABC, and then down, and then finish here, right? Finish here, and then starts to rally again, right? Or this could be in the form of a ABCW, X, and then Y, and then higher. So the shorter cycle structure always has multiple different possibilities, but you recall that whatever possibility that I'm bringing, it doesn't change the fact or the conclusion that as long as we stay above 167.9, we should be looking for more upside. It can even move higher from here immediately if I move the A and the B and the C here. And thereby, when you are trading with Elliott Wave, you have to understand this principle that there are a couple of different paths and you need to assess the conclusion. What is the conclusion that will stay the same regardless of the short-term different path, right? And the conclusion for now is, because this is 5 waves, most likely as long as we don't break below 167.90, then we shall see more upside again at some point. All right, so that is the idea for the Euro Yen. Now the medium term, the longer term, there's multiple different analysis for that. So but again, I think my focus is primarily on the shorter cycle. In this particular instance, I'm looking at this structure here, which looks impulsive. So for now, we can say that we should be looking for at least another leg up at some point after this pullback is finished. All right. So if you want to get more ideas or more analysis on Forex pairs, indices, ETF, Forex, commodities, feel free to check our service. We have 14 days trial. The link is in the description of the video. Also, please like and subscribe on the YouTube channel to get more videos like this in the future. All right, so see you all again next time. Have a nice day, everyone.